Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. Today, I'll show you how to fix your garage door not closing with myQ app. This video is especially helpful for those who have just installed a new myQ system and connected it to their garage. First reason. From my experience, one common reason your garage door might not close with myQ is due to a weak Wi-Fi connection. This usually happens when I'm backing out of the driveway and trying to close the garage. The Wi-Fi signal sometimes drops. To fix this, try turning off your Wi-Fi and switch to mobile data instead. Once you're on data, try closing the garage door again. When you're reversing, that in-between spot can cause the signal to drop, and the command from myQ doesn't fully go through. Second reason. Another possible reason is that something might be blocking the garage door's sensors. For instance, your trash can might not be fully pushed in, or maybe something fell off a shelf and is now sitting in front of the sensor. Even a small object in the sensor's path can prevent the door from closing. Third reason. This one doesn't happen often, but I've seen it a couple of times. When direct sunlight hits the garage door sensor, it can interfere with the sensor and make it think there's an obstacle in the way. That alone can stop the door from closing, even when the path is clear. So there you go. These are the three most common and simple reasons why your garage door might not be closing with myQ. Thanks for watching another video. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you never miss a daily drop.